Welcome to this lesson on the volume of pyramids. So a rectangular or square pyramid is a three-dimensional shape with a rectangular or square base. And triangular sides or triangular faces. And the faces or the sides come together at a point called the apex. All right, so the volume formula for a pyramid is volume equals 1/3 base times height. And remember, the capital B stands for the area of the base. Or we can write that 1/3 length times width times height, because if the base is a rectangle or a square, then we can find the area of the rectangle or square using length times width. So those mean the same thing. All right, so let's find the volume of this. This would be a rectangular pyramid. So length and width, it doesn't really matter which order you put those in. And the height is always straight up in the air. It's always perpendicular to the base. So it has to make a right angle with the base. All right. So you can type all that in your calculator, or you can just type 7 times 8 times 11 in first, and then you can divide that by 3. That's 1/3 of it. And that gives you 205.3 repeating inches cubed. All right, so let's try some examples. So number 1, find the volume of the pyramid. So 1/3 length times width times height. Go ahead and type that in your calculator. And you should get 70 inches cubed. Number 2, the volume of a pyramid is 600 meters cubed. Find the height of the pyramid if the length is 12 meters and the width is 4 meters. So this one we're working backwards. All right, so my volume is 600. My length is 12. My width is 4, and we don't know the height. Okay, so there's a few different ways you can solve this. If you want to get rid of that fraction first, you can by multiplying by 3/1 on both sides, multiplying by the reciprocal. Or if you want to do it in fewer steps, you can just go ahead and multiply 1/3 times 12 times 4 all together. That's what I'm going to do. So basically 12 times 4 and then divide by 3, that gives you 16. And then bring down your h. And then I'm going to divide by 16 on both sides. And I get 37.5 meters. Not meters cubed, this isn't volume, this is the height, so just meters. All right. Number 3, the bottom of a pyramid has an area of 36 yards squared. The height is 14 yards. Find the volume. Okay, so the bottom of the pyramid has an area. That means the base has an area. So I can use the 1/3 base times height formula. So the area of the base is 36, and I know it's talking about area because first of all it says area, but also yards squared. Squared is always area. And then my height is 14. All right, so 36 times 14, and then divide that by 3. I get 168 yards cubed. All right, last one, the volume of the pyramid is 400 inches cubed. Find the height. So this one we're working backwards again. So 400 equals 1/3. This would be my length and my width. And then we don't know the height. All right, so for this one, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that 1/3 first, because I know if I multiply 8 times 8 together and then divide that by 3, it's going to be a decimal. So I'm just going to get rid of the 1/3 first by multiplying by 3 over 1 on both sides, which really just cancels out that 1/3 for me and makes it a little bit easier to solve. So this is going to be 1200 equals, I'm going to go ahead and multiply 8 times 8, which is 64, and then h. All right, and then I'm just going to divide that by 64, and I get 18.75 inches equals my height. All right, you can go ahead and stop the video now and complete the practice and check it with your teacher.